guys, welcome back to my channel Fusion Cooking. Today we are going to make an amazing halwa, which is sooji halwa, semolina halwa or rava halwa. By any names you call it, it is an awesome decadent halwa. So without further ado, let's see the recipe and let's get into the ingredients. But wait, before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For the sooji halwa, we'll be needing around 1 cup of sooji, fine sooji. This is Bombay rava. You don't need to use Italy rava. This is Bombay rava. And then we'll be requiring clarified butter. Here I have used around 3 tablespoons of clarified butter. You can always use ghee, but I prefer butter taste over ghee. Here I'm using around 1 cup of water. Listen, the water we'll be adding at around the consistency because every rava is different. So we'll just need the consistency and we'll add. And then coconut, chopped coconut. Also we'll be requiring 1/4 cup of sugar. And then we'll be requiring yellow food color. So let's start the procedure. We'll start the procedure by heating up a wok, heating up a pan, and then we'll add the clarified butter into it. Make sure you use unsalted butter. And now we are going to add the coconut, and then for the coconut it's very important that we slightly roast it to the golden brown color. As you can see, it is slightly starting to turn golden brown in color. At this point of time, we are now going to add the other ingredients. We'll start by adding the rava. And now here it is very much important for us to stir it. You need to continuously stir it for around 3 to 4 minutes because the key to a successful halwa is a great stirring of the raw rava or the raw sooji. So we need all the aroma of sooji to go away, all the raw flavor to go away, and then we are just going to uh, lightly stir it properly. It's been 3 to 4 minutes and now we will be adding the rest ingredients. As you can see, the color of the sooji is also slightly turned into brown. Before adding water, we'll be mixing water with some food coloring so that the food color spreads evenly into the halwa. And now back to the pan. We'll be adding the water, the colored water. Also we'll be adding the other half cup of water that we have saved it, and we'll add it eventually little by little. This aroundly approximately, if you're taking 1 cup of rava, it will take you around 3/4 cup of water, nearly to 1 cup of water, but half a cup is a little bit less, 1 cup is a little bit more. So you just need to adjust the consistency. As you can see, it is not that thick, not that thin. You just need to now stir it continuously so that the lumps does not form, and then you get a fine texture of halwa. You need to cook it this around 4 to 5 minutes after adding the water, and then you can understand it by, as you can see, the rava is, the sooji is properly cooked. So at this point of time you need to stop cooking, like you need to lower the flame, and now you need to add the sugar. Here I'm using only 1/4 cup of sugar. If you have a sweet tooth, you can always use more sugar, but I prefer my halwas to be a little bit less sugary, so that's why I'm not adding that much sugar. But if you like more sugar in your halwas or in any of your desserts, you can always add more sugar to it. But make sure it's not that sugary, otherwise the halwa's consistency will become so loose. And now we'll just stir it slightly, and you need to make sure that the flame is medium to high heat. It should not be high, it should not be low, medium to high heat, so that the sugar can easily dissolve. And now our halwa is ready. Let's plate up. I'm going to show you an easy way to plate any halwa, like be it sooji halwa, be it atta halwa, any halwa. You can plate it up by just taking a bowl and just putting the halwa into it and then demolding it. It's a very easy recipe, and it looks decadent and it looks amazing. So now you just need to press it lightly, the halwa. You don't need to press it more, otherwise the halwa will stick to the bowl and then it will not demold easily. Just need to press it slightly, And now you just need to take the plate and then flip it over. Slightly demold it by slightly jiggling the bowl, and then as you can see, it's easily got demolded. And now I'll be garnishing it with some coconut that I have roasted earlier, just to make it look pretty. And there you go, guys. This is your Suji Halwa. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.